Well, after today's ruling, many are asking, so what happens next? Could he win an appeal? And what about practicing law? And who will assume the senator's seat in the State House? Eyewitness News reporter Aaron Wright spoke with a legal expert to get some of those answers, and he joins us here now. Aaron?
And Jeff, a lot of what we've learned today is that a lot of his future is going to hinge on this appeal, and the chances of getting a reversal are pretty slim.
Outside the federal courthouse this morning, State Senator Carlos Uresti says his next step will be to appeal the jury's decision finding him guilty on 11 counts. According to St. Mary's University law professor Gerald Ramey, that's not likely to go in his favor.
An appeal has to be based on errors of law. So it can't be an appeal just because he didn't like the result. He has to make a claim that the court did something wrong in the proceedings in this trial, and that it was a kind of serious mistake that would require reversal.
The state senator was first elected back in 2006. According to Ramey, Uresti should be able to continue to serve as long as his appeal is working through court. However, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick said today he's relieving Uresti of all his committee assignments effective immediately.
He would be able to continue to serve pending the outcome of his appeal.
That appeal could take years, giving Uresti the chance to step down or allow someone else to run and beat him in an election. The outcome of the appeal also impacts Uresti's ability to practice law.
But once that appeal is decided, if that conviction is affirmed, then he would lose his license.
Uresti is due back in court for sentencing in June. His punishment could be up to 20 years in prison for each charge. How long Uresti could stay behind bars is up to the judge.
So the amount of time that he actually serves will be determined in part by whether the judge decides to let him serve those sentences consecutively or concurrently.
Professor Ramey says even a conviction or jail time doesn't mean it's an end to Uresti's political career. Politicians in other states have served time and won re-election. Jeff?
Okay, hard to imagine, but it could happen. Thank you, Aaron, for that follow-up.